Tesla just faced its worst quarter in years, with its stock plunging a staggering 36% in the first 3 months of 2025. That's the sharpest drop since 2022 and one of the biggest in the company's history. Investors are nervous, analysts are scrambling, and now rumors are swirling about Elon Musk stepping down as CEO. But here's the thing. This news isn't just about a rough quarter for Tesla. It's much bigger than that. Musk's focus has been elsewhere. Instead of dedicating his time solely to Tesla, he's been leading the Department of Government Efficiency, DOE, diving deep into government reform, cost-cutting measures, and, let's be honest, some pretty controversial moves. And now, all of this is starting to raise serious questions. Is Musk really going to step down as Tesla's CEO? What happens to the company if he does? Could this be a turning point, not just for Tesla, but for Musk's entire business empire? Before we dig into that, let's take a step back and break down what's really going on with Tesla's stock. The company has been in freefall, and the people who've been closest to Musk are now questioning whether his leadership is more of a distraction than a benefit. Here's the kicker. Tesla's stock doesn't just reflect company performance. It's tied to Musk's persona. So if Musk really does step down, who would fill those shoes? And how would Tesla fare in the future without his vision and presence? We'll get into all that, but first, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more in-depth discussions on Tesla, Musk, and the tech world. Let's dive deeper into the numbers and see just how bad things really are for Tesla right now. As we just mentioned, Tesla's stock is down a massive 36% in Q1 of 2025, marking its worst quarter since 2022 and the third largest drop in company history. And this isn't just some small dip, it's a significant slump that has investors scratching their heads and questioning Musk's leadership. So what's going wrong? Declining demand for EVs. First up, we've got the growing competition. Tesla's dominance in the electric vehicle EV market is starting to slip. Companies like BYD, Ford, and General Motors are making serious headway in the EV game, and that's cutting into Tesla's market share. As the electric vehicle market matures, Tesla no longer has the kind of uncontested dominance it once did. More automakers are jumping on the EV bandwagon, and many consumers are shopping around for alternatives to Tesla. Musk's distractions. But here's the real kicker. While all this was happening, Musk's attention has been divided. Instead of focusing solely on Tesla, he's been caught up with Doge, leading the Department of Government Efficiency and making headlines for layoffs and legal battles. Investors are starting to feel like Musk's focus is elsewhere, and that's affecting Tesla's performance. Investor concerns. With the stock plummeting, big investors like Ross Gerber are demanding changes. Some want Musk to return full-time to Tesla, while others are even calling for a new CEO. The uncertainty surrounding Musk's leadership, combined with these poor results, is making Wall Street increasingly anxious. So, with Tesla in this downward spiral, who's next in line to step up and take the reins? If Musk does step away from Tesla, there's one name making waves as a potential successor. Let's talk about Tom Zhu, the man who could possibly save Tesla from its troubles. If Elon Musk does step down, Tom Zhu might just be the man to take over. Zhu has been a key figure at Tesla for years, and his experience and leadership could be exactly what the company needs right now. Let's start with his credentials. Zhu is the current president of Tesla's China operations, and his track record is nothing short of impressive. Under his leadership, Tesla's Shanghai Gigafactory went from an idea to a fully operational plant in just 10 months. That's a remarkable feat in itself, especially considering how massive the project was. But it doesn't stop there. Zhu turned that facility into Tesla's most important production hub, helping the company ramp up its EV output and dominate the Chinese market. Zhu's ability to manage complex operations and deliver results has made him a rising star within Tesla. He's also proven his resilience. During Shanghai's tough COVID-19 lockdowns, Zhu was one of the first to sleep in the factory to make sure operations didn't come to a halt. Talk about dedication. But Zhu's impact isn't just about China. He's been tasked with overseeing Tesla's U.S. assembly plants and sales operations in North America and Europe since January 2023, solidifying his status as one of Tesla's top leaders second only to Musk himself. So, if Musk steps aside, Zhu could be the perfect candidate to step into the CEO role. He has the experience, leadership skills, and global perspective that Tesla needs to navigate through its current challenges and emerge stronger. But there's one question: would he even want the job? Given Musk's immense influence over Tesla, would Zhu be willing to take on the pressure of leading the company, or would he prefer to stay in his current role? Let's break down what this potential leadership change could mean for Tesla. If Tom Zhu steps up as CEO, what happens to Tesla? It's easy to think that changing the leadership at the top would be a smooth transition, but we all know that's rarely the case, especially with a company as high-profile and volatile as Tesla. So, let's break down the potential impacts. Investor confidence. The most immediate concern would be investor reaction. While Musk's leadership has undeniably taken Tesla to new heights, it has also brought some instability. Market response. The stock price would also likely experience short-term volatility. When a major company like Tesla sees a change in leadership, it can cause a lot of uncertainty. Although Zhu has been a solid operator, Tesla's market is still largely influenced by Musk's personality and brand. He's the face of Tesla to many. So the real question is, can Zhu take over and keep Tesla's stock on its current growth trajectory? Some may argue that Tesla's stock price is so closely tied to Musk's image that even the best CEO might not be able to sustain its performance without his direct involvement. Corporate culture. Another consideration is Tesla's corporate culture. The company is known for its fast-paced, high-risk, high-reward environment, largely driven by Musk's energy and vision. His public persona, while magnetic, has sometimes been a double-edged sword. Investors might appreciate Zhu's more pragmatic, hands-on approach, which has been evident in his past leadership roles. Musk's unpredictability has spooked some investors, so Zhu could potentially bring a much-needed sense of stability and focus back to Tesla. However, that transition wouldn't be easy, but no matter the challenges, the big question remains: can Zhu pull Tesla out of its slump and get the company back on track? Let's dive deeper into how this could play out. As we've already discussed, a leadership change at Tesla isn't just about who sits at the top, it's about the future direction of the company. Musk has always been the driving force behind Tesla's innovative edge and market dominance. But can Tom Zhu continue this momentum, or will Tesla face a decline in its competitive position? The electric vehicle market is growing rapidly, but so are the competitors. Tesla's success has always been built on its ability to innovate quickly and create products that disrupt the status quo. However, as more companies enter the EV space, Tesla's once uncontested dominance is starting to wane. Companies like Ford, with their Mustang Mach-E, and even startups like Rivian, are aggressively challenging Tesla for market share. Without Musk's visionary push, will Zhu be able to keep Tesla ahead of the curve? Innovation needs to continue, but can Zhu, who has been more of an operations expert, continue Tesla's role as a leader in EV tech? Brand loyalty versus new leadership. Tesla has built an incredibly loyal customer base, one that has followed Musk's vision, his ideals, and his relentless drive to change the world. If Zhu takes over, will Tesla still carry that same charismatic energy that attracted early adopters? It's hard to say. A shift in leadership could lead to customer doubts about the direction of the brand, and that could affect sales. While Zhu has a great track record, especially in China, the real test will be whether he can keep Tesla's cult-like following engaged and excited about the future of the company. The big picture, ultimately, Tesla's future under Zhu will depend on his ability to maintain the company's innovation, manage its global production effectively, and maintain investor confidence. With increasing competition, supply chain hurdles, and now the leadership transition, it's clear that Tesla faces significant challenges moving forward. But can Tom Zhu turn it around? The next few months will likely be a defining moment for the company's legacy. Elon Musk's potential departure as Tesla's CEO opens up a whole new chapter for the company. Tom Zhu seems well equipped to handle the responsibilities, but Tesla's future remains uncertain. Can he maintain the company's innovative edge, manage the growing competition, and keep investors happy? With the stakes higher than ever, the coming months will reveal if Tesla can continue its dominance or if a new direction is needed. One thing's for sure, whether it's with Musk or Jew, Tesla's journey is far from over, and it's a story worth watching closely. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to Fire Stocks for daily updates on Tesla and other stocks.